So in this investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy tech stocks in Canada using Wealthsimple. Once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to this bottom bar and select the magnifying glass. Then go to the top and press on the search bar here. And then go to where it says technology right here. So once technology is selected, these are all the stocks that Wealthsimple considers to be tech stocks, and there's 491 here, so you can scroll down, find what you got to find, but you can view all of them, Canadian traded ones, US traded ones. So for example, if I wanted to go to US traded ones and just select NVIDIA for an example, I will select that. Once you have your tech stock selected, go to the bottom left where it says select an account, and then choose an account that you want to buy the stock in. So for this demonstration, I will use my tax-free savings account, and once that is done, go to the bottom right and select trade, then press buy. Once you're on this page right here, you can go to the top right and you can choose the type of order that you want to buy. So if I wanted to go market right here, I can go ahead and select market, and I can go ahead and select how much. If I wanted to buy $1 worth, it'll go ahead and show you there how much $1 will bring you in regards to shares. And if this looks good, press on review. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and review the transaction, and if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom. In my case, where it says Q order, I would select that, or you can press buy to proceed with the buying of a tech stock this way. So that is how to buy tech stocks in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.